So you might be in a situation where for some reason your share list inside of Instagram just randomly changed up. So maybe when you're going through and you're actually going through and sharing out a song or sharing out a Instagram post, if you click on the share icon, maybe this particular share page has completely changed up. Now, the main way to go ahead and fix this for the most part is there's not an immediate fix. There's one thing you can do that might immediately fix it, and that is by updating your Instagram application. Sometimes your share list, when you're going through and sharing something, it might get reorganized or change up a lot. And if you want to go ahead and see a way or see how you can fix that, the first thing is by going inside of your app store like this, clicking on the search button, and searching up for the Instagram application. Sometimes simply just going through and searching up, trying to update your Instagram application can sometimes end up fixing the problem. Again, it might not fix it for everybody, but that is just one thing you can try doing to go and end up fixing this problem. Now, if that's not working for you, if that's also causing some problems, the next thing I'd recommend doing is if this is like a random order, if it doesn't seem like it's alphabetized, you can go ahead, search for that particular user right up here. So let's say I'm trying to send it to myself. I can tap on this particular user right here. I can go ahead and send it to them. And maybe next time or the time, but maybe that time or the time after that, when I go and click on the share button, it might show me that account there again. So even though it wasn't there before, I'll go and try it here. It might take a couple of times, but even though it wasn't there before, if I keep doing it a couple of times, it might end up bringing it back into the normal order that it was. So it is kind of annoying. It does happen a lot, but that's kind of the main way to go and try doing it. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.